Hi everyone, I wanted to come on here and give you guys 3 easy tips for customer service. This is one of my biggest pet peeves when I don't get good customer service, and I'm sure you guys all have similar experiences where you've had people that just go above and beyond and others that just kind of fail at it. So I want you guys to fail forward, and I want you guys to take away these 3 tips and let me know maybe some other tips that you might have for these experiences. So the first one is know your customer. So knowing your customer means knowing what they want, what they're looking for, why they're with you. So it could be with you for a product. They could be with you because of you. So that's like 2 different things. So make sure you understand why they're with you and why they're going to be investing in the product or the service that you have to offer. The second thing is know your strengths. This is a huge thing that each of us need to know, not just when we're going to be giving someone customer service, but when we're looking for jobs, when we're looking for things for us to do hobbies in, things for us to basically succeed in life. Know your strengths, but also know your weaknesses, because play to both of those. Take, for example, some of my strengths. Some of my strengths are I'm an empath. I am also an activator. I am a collaborator. So with your strengths, I want you guys, if you haven't already taken like the Clifton Strengths Finder, definitely do that. It is definitely worthwhile. I think they do like the first 5 for free. And then you can go in and go ahead and get your top 34, which is definitely important. So if you're planning on doing anything like shifting careers, finding like going to university, anything that you're looking to find out where you can succeed at and where your strengths and weaknesses are, this is a great one. Like, so for example, my top 5 strengths are achiever, strategic, input, connectedness, and belief. So that's where I am successful at. That's where I know I am able to succeed and provide my customers a good experience based off of that. So that's like the first thing, achiever. Based off of all the customers that I have ever worked for or worked alongside, they have always said, if you need someone to get it done, Zarine is the person to do that. She will definitely make it happen. So that's kind of where, even without me doing a strengths finder test, I know that that is one of my top strengths. If I go ahead and look at some of my worst strengths is harmony, analytical, woo, and context. So that's where I am not someone that will woo you. I will give it to you. I'm not going to suck up to you. I'm not going to brown nose you. I will ask for what I want if I'm wanting something, and I'm not going to beat around the bush for it. So that's kind of where I know that's my weakness. If I know that that is a customer that wants to be nurtured and cared for in that way, I will bring alongside someone else that has that strength. So that's where, going back to the first point, know your customer. Know your strengths is the second one. So if your strengths are not in that area of expertise, bring someone along that is. You want to ensure your customer has that experience. Again, whether it's a product or whether it's a service, the industry is huge. Make sure you're able to cater to your customers in the way that they need to be catered to. Otherwise, you're going to be moving elsewhere. So the third tip that I have is know your products, whether it is a service that you are doing or whether it is an actual product, a physical product that you're going to be having. So even though you may be a salesperson or you may be only in customer service and supporting them in that aspect, make sure you know your product. For example, one of the things that I'm experiencing right now, I had bought a product. The person that I had bought it off doesn't have the experience to walk me through just simple basic steps, right? Like, these are things that when I'm trying to contact someone for support and I just get like stonewalled, that doesn't give me a good experience. That doesn't make me want to go back and buy another product or go back and recommend that person. So make sure when you are going to be helping someone or when you are selling a product that you're not just selling the product, you're selling everything else that comes along with it, the experience, the actual usage of the products. And these are things that, yes, no one's going to be perfect from the get-go. So find where your strengths are again and use what you have and make sure you walk away with your customers satisfied. So I hope those 3 tips helped. And if you guys haven't done your strengths finder, definitely do that. If you'd like to connect with me for different tips and tricks like this, go ahead and click follow on my profile, and we'll see you guys soon.